Okay, con evaluate composite functions. This is the examples that they wanted us to do. H composed of G evaluated at 4. Well, there's a couple ways you can do this. There's the long way and then the short way. Let's just do what we think we should do and find H composed of G. And I know we're not sure what variable it'll be, but if you put G into H, everything will come out in terms of x's. I'll show you the short way in just a second. Okay. So this one is actually pretty tricky if we do it this way. There's oh, I don't know. We got to take H and we got to put G into it. Okay. So that means we get H of G of x, which is 8 over 4 minus 3x. And then we put that into H, which was what? 2 times all this. Oh yeah, that looks funky. 4 minus 3x, but that's the whole thing. That's what we do to it. And we subtract 9, and then put the whole thing over 5. Okay, I guess we can clean this up a little bit. I mean, we can do the whole thing, but there's a much easier way at the end. So this is 16 over 4 minus 3x minus 9 over 1 all over 5. Yeah, yeah, this is a tricky one. So I will show you the short way in just a second. I mean, we can do it at any time we want. It'll make life easier, but let's just keep rolling just to show you that we could do it this way. 4 minus 3x, and you see the LCD is, you know, the bubble game. That's a 1, so you just have to put this over here. I'm really just showing you that you could do it this way, all over 5. I made the big denominator, so let's see, that would be 16 minus 9 times all that stuff divided by 4 minus 3x, big division bar, 5 over 1. Oh, this is definitely the longest way to do it. So then I guess we'd multiply by the reciprocal and distribute at the same time. So what's that? Minus 36 plus 27x. Oh, good luck with that. All over 4 minus 3x times 1 over 5. Okay, the reciprocal, right? So you got to know that game. And then here, oh, I don't know. 16 minus 36 is negative 20, so we get negative 20 plus 27x all over 4 minus 3x. Yes, that's my dog, and she wants attention. I mean, what else could you do here? You know, I hate to distribute in the denominator, but I'll even do that. You know, and at some point, we get stuck, and we're just like, what is going on? I just did this hot mess. Please don't cancel those 20s. That would be a nightmare. I mean, there's really nothing left to do. So let's go back to the original and just say, oh, they wanted this evaluated at 4. So let's see, negative 20 plus 27 times 4 all over 20 minus 15 times 4. Okay, and I guess you got to put that into your calculator. Negative 20 plus 28, carry the 2, 8, 9, 10. All over 20 minus, yeah, I'm adding with a dog barking in the background. Wish me luck. So that's 60. Okay. Arithmetic, my arch enemy. 20 is what? Excuse me. 88. Okay. And then down here, I guess that's negative 40. Okay, so now we're getting somewhere. Divide by 4, 22. Negative 10. Sorry, I should have just done it there. Divided by 2 is 11. Negative 11 fifths is what I'm getting. Okay, so yeah, that's crazy, right? All that stuff there. I mean, that's really a hot mess. It's really got to. I'm not making a new video, so you just have to deal with the dog like I am. All right, so how do we do this the easy way? Well, the thing about this is if you just look at this right here, you can really get a nice easy way out. Because if you think about it, what they're really asking you to find is, and I'll do it over here, h composed of g of 4. In other words, at the end there I plugged in the 4. Well, let's just plug in the 4 in the beginning. So that means that's h composed of g of 4. Okay, I can do that. What's g of 4? Well, let's just put 4 into this guy here. G of 4 is equal to 8 over 4 minus 12. And that's 8 over 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's too nice. Yeah, negative 8, which is equal to negative 1. Seemed too nice. Yep, okay, I'll go with it. Negative 1. And then here we're just really looking for h of negative 1, which would be 2 times negative 1 minus 9 all over 5. And that's equal to negative 2 minus 9 all over 5. So that's negative 11 over 5. Is that what I got down here? Wow, look at that. That's math, huh? I mean, is there the dog stop? It's peaceful. I mean, which way do you want to go? You want to go the short way or the long way? But I mean, the long way, I mean, you're really flexing some good math muscles, especially, you know, if you can do this step right here and get down to here. You know, and I know it looks hard, but if it's just basic moves behind the curtain, okay? So you gotta watch out for this move here with the LCD, and then that would be the LCD move there, and then down here is the multiply by the reciprocal. I mean, those are. Right? I know everybody's like, yeah, why don't we just do it this way? That's fine. But this is, you know, these kind of moves is really what it gets up to when you get to the higher levels. Okay, hope that helps. But yeah, for most of these con exercises, you should probably be thinking this way. It'll make your life a lot easier. Just plug the value in, evaluate it at that function, and then plug that value you get out into the other function. Okay, hope that helps.